Doing numbers on YouTube. Let's get them views up, you know? Shout out for everybody showing the love.
Let's see what's up. Sit down here. Let's see what's up. Hey, what's up with it?
What's up with it?
You and your homegirls gonna come through, me and my crew trying to get some cracking.
Yeah, we on our way.
Alright,
Let's go.
baby girl, she getting naked. I'm a erected boom boom. Pussy sexy, no rejection, and she flexing too. What's the mention? 7-Eleven, she slurping my crew. She just let it pussy fetish, doing what she do. Baby girl, she getting naked. I'm a erected boom boom. Pussy sexy, no rejection, and she flexing too. What's the mention? 7-Eleven, she slurping my crew. She just let it pussy fetish, doing what she do. Baby girl, she super fine and she down to ride. She give me brain, I'm swerving lanes while I'm getting fried. We hit the light, she get me right, I'm keeping her tonight. She know I love that sex appeal, that freaky shit I like. We never talk during the day, we only speak at night. I show her.
What's up, everybody? It's your girl Amanda J, live at Del Mar Loop, Vintage Vinyl, with Optimistic Keith.
What it do? Shout out Inbox Magazine, you know, for the love and the interview. You can find my music on YouTube. Check out my videos. Optimistic Keith Street Realm featuring D Lyrics. Optimistic Keith for the love of hip hop. Optimistic Keith for the motive. You know who I do it for the self. I do it for myself. That's the motive. You can also follow me on Twitter at Optimistic Keith all together. Find me on Facebook at Optimistic Keith. Basically, it's all the same. Just Google Optimistic Keith and you find
A whole bunch of
everything.
Optimistic Keith.
You can also check out my upcoming project, Golden Ticket, on the way, coming very soon. You can check out the single up there, You Know Me, and Street Realm, like I said as well. Doing numbers on YouTube. Let's get them views up, you know? Shout out for everybody showing the love. Shout out the whole brand, Versatile Mafia. Shout out Grip Waller. Shout out D Lyric. You know, go download my bro mixtape, Undeniable Music. It's summer heat. Y'all ain't got it. Y'all ain't got the right things bumping in y'all speakers.
All right, check out Optimistic Keith. It's your girl Amanda J. We're out.
It's 7-Eleven crew. Not anorexic, you perfection and you market.